How to lose weight and get fit. 6 free courses for everyone. Welcome back to a new free courses tutorial in our channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And let's unlock some incredible learning opportunities together. All right, team, let's be real for a minute. Life gets busy, right? Work, family, errands. It all piles up, and sometimes the first thing to go is our health and fitness. We've all been there. But listen up, because I'm about to let you in on a little secret. Getting in shape doesn't have to be a massive uphill battle. You don't need a fancy gym membership or hours to spare. We live in a digital age, and that means a wealth of resources are right at our fingertips. We're talking about free online courses that are designed to fit into your life, not the other way around. Whether you're squeezing in a quick workout before the school run or learning about nutrition during your lunch break, these courses have got you covered. And that's what we're diving into today, team. We're talking about 6 amazing, completely free online courses that'll help you smash your fitness goals and feel absolutely incredible. No matter your age, fitness level, or how much time you have, there's a course here for you. So are you ready to get your sweat on and learn something new? Let's do this. All right, anyone else feeling that 30 and over club? Don't worry, I'm right there with you. We might be a little older, a little wiser, but that doesn't mean our fitness goals have to fly out the window. This first course is all about short, sharp workouts that you can squeeze into even the busiest of schedules. We're talking no equipment needed, just you and your own body weight. Perfect for those days when you can't get to the gym or just need a quick energy boost. We'll be working on building strength, increasing your fitness levels, and feeling amazing from the inside out. Remember, team, age is just a number. We're in this together, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So what are you waiting for? Let's get moving. Next up, we're tackling the world of nutrition. Let's be honest, eating healthy can sometimes feel like a puzzle, right? But it doesn't have to be. This course breaks down the essentials of nutrition into 5 easy-to-follow steps. We're talking about building a balanced plate, understanding portion control, and finding healthy swaps that actually taste good. You'll also get the inside scoop on meal planning so you can stay on track even when life gets hectic. Remember, team, good nutrition is all about fueling your body with the good stuff so you can feel your best. It's not about restriction or complicated recipes. Let's make healthy eating a habit we can all stick to. All right, beginners, this one's for you. Starting your fitness journey can feel daunting, but trust me, it doesn't have to be. This course is designed specifically for those who are new to exercise and healthy eating. We'll be covering the basics of fitness, from understanding different types of exercise to creating a workout plan that fits your goals and lifestyle. We'll also be diving into simple, healthy eating habits that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. Remember, team, everyone starts somewhere. The most important thing is to just take that first step and be kind to yourself along the way. We're in this together, and I'm here to cheer you on every step of the way. Chapter 4. Teenage Fitness. It's about more than just PE. Calling all teenagers. This course is all about understanding the science behind exercise and how it impacts your growing bodies. We're talking about the benefits of exercise for your physical and mental health, as well as practical tips for staying active during those busy teenage years. We'll be covering everything from the importance of sleep and stress management to building healthy habits that will last a lifetime. We'll also bust some common myths about teenage health and fitness so you can make informed decisions about your body. Remember, team, being a teenager is all about exploring, learning, and having fun. Let's make healthy choices a part of that journey. Chapter 5. Desk job got you down, strike a pose. Okay, all my office heroes, this one's for you. Sitting at a desk all day can take its toll on our bodies. This course is all about incorporating simple yoga poses and stretches into your workday to combat that desk-bound stiffness. We'll be focusing on poses that improve posture, reduce stress, and increase energy levels. The best part? You can do most of these right at your desk. No need for fancy yoga studios or tight leggings. Remember, team, taking care of your body is essential, even during the workday. Let's get those bodies moving and those minds refreshed. Chapter 6. Busting Fitness. Myths, get the facts straight. All right, team, it's time to separate fact from fiction. This course is all about debunking common fitness and nutrition myths that have been circulating for far too long. We'll be tackling those stubborn misconceptions about weight loss, muscle gain, and everything in between. Get ready to arm yourself with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions about your health and fitness. We'll be diving into the science behind the myths and providing you with evidence-based advice to help you reach your goals. Remember, team, knowledge is power. Let's cut through the noise and focus on what really works. Your fitness journey starts now. So there you have it, team. 6 incredible, completely free online courses that are ready to transform your health and fitness. Whether you're just starting out, looking to level up your routine, or simply want to learn something new, there's a course here for you. Remember, team, the most important thing is to just start. Choose a course that speaks to you, set realistic goals, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Fitness should be fun, empowering. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more free course updates. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. For direct links to all these courses, check out our article linked in the video description below. See you in the next video.